Round number 2, more fireworks. I don't know if anybody just heard that.
Watching?
Phone recording a phone. It doesn't work.
Liam James, get over here, please.
Hey, go over there.
No, Dad is not.
Hey, you're stepping on me.
Step.
Wait, am I zoomed in? Zoom out. Zoom out. Okay.
I wish I had a light. I don't have a light.
Oh, that one was blue. Red. Blue.
I wish I could post on YouTube, but I can't because Mom won't let me.
If you want to, you can send your Bluetooth to my tablet. If you want to sneak it in. I'll put as many videos of fireworks on there. You know how to work Bluetooth?
Katie, your head's gonna get in the video if you don't move. Sorry, I have a big head.
Broom. Brown. Brown.
Team Forces 2. Yep, it's Team Forces 2.
Oh,
Pretty.
okay.
Pretty.
My poor ears.
Really?
Oh, I'm recording someone else's phone.
Really?
I'm gonna record the tablet after these.
Go ahead, give it a shot.
Yeah.
You're not gonna see a lick of crap though. Broom. Why am I doing that? I don't know. I'm just having fun. No. Stay up there.
Teach me how to do it, like Bluetooth it and sneak it to you.
It's very simple.
What do I do?
If you want to, I'll show you afterwards. But I know how to work it.
Yay! Fireworks! I've recorded 8 minutes.
I've recorded over 13 minutes and now I'm on to my second video. So far over 2 minutes 30 seconds. So I'm recording a lot.
I think that was a motorcycle, but I love a car.
Get in the car. Ooh! That one was nice.
That was about to squeeze something out of my butt.
What? Excuse me?
I did not expect it to be that big.
Come here, baby.
It'll be someone else's recording, okay? Yeah, this is your video.
You're not recording anyone's faces, are you? Do you just...
No one saw. Because I can barely see your face. You're a dark abyss human.
What?
You came out of the dark abyss.
The
dark abyss is over there. Boom!
You will be dominated.
Don't say nominated.
Prepare to be dominated. No. Keep that app on there. Wait, why do I even have that out? I'm using the...
I can do that. Like... After a few of these fireworks, I'm a recording. Okay?
Alright.
You should stop recording too.
Yeah. After this video, I'm done. I'm done.
After those get finished, we should both stop recording.
Yeah.
Okay, stop recording.
No.
Oh, I recorded 10 minutes, okay? My arm is getting pretty tight.
Look from here. You can barely even see the flashlight they got down there. Holy crap.
Mine can barely see it.
Really? Oh yeah, it's just like a little dot from here.
Yeah, there's this floating dot over there. Oh shoot.
He's a little dot.
Damn.
Ooh, that was pretty. I got that one good. pretty. You guys like fireworks? You better be glad you got this video here. Cause I like fireworks, you like fireworks. Don't we all like fireworks? Heck yeah.
Liam James, why is your shoe off? No. You're fine. You're okay.
No.
Who is it?
Monaco.
Hey, no.
Fireworks.
No. What? Hey. Hey, who's throwing grenades?
Hey, Rich. Hey, how you doing?
Where's Hunter?
I was going to say,
Bring a
Ricky
chair?
came- No, I didn't bring a chair. No,
I got an extra one in my car.
that's all right. Don't worry about it.
What? Hunter from his.
So how you doing, all right?
Yeah.
They started around 1:00.
Oh my.
I was coming here and I saw the fireworks
Oh, there we go.
Well,
on the street.
I was loaded everything except the grill and the tanks.
Right.
I was back for a few minutes and I nodded off.
Huh? You got a chair? No, don't worry about it.
Whoa, Eddie's switching. No.
There's a floating dart over there. Okay, that's enough. Said- Don't mind the floating dot.
Boom.
See, I'm nice. I think I ripped my pants.
Oh.
Trying to get off that truck, I think I ripped my pants. No. You stay. Look at how cool. Oh, I see a rainbow from here.
Oh wow, it actually looks pretty cool. Come over here, look at this. Look at, you see it?
Yeah. No.
I feel like there's a bug around me.
I'm assuming this to you, okay?
All right.
So you can tell this to
Here, Bug, if you want water, come here.
Stay. Let's stop recording and talk about GTA. Oh. Because it was a smart firework. The grand finale, you're gonna want to see that. They're shooting left and right. They're going bang, 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 bang.
No.
Shooting in style.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hey, Rich, when you sit in that chair, do you feel unique?
Daddy's down there.
I've been recording like
Well,
16
hunting.
minutes.
I can't upload anything over 15 minutes.
You can't?
Nope.
No.
YouTube wants to know everything about me when I do that. So I'm like, no.
Okay, so I'll stop recording. Okay.
You have the trimming ability on there?
I don't know.
Can you trim the video down?
I wish I got that. How would you be able to trim?
I don't exact. Well, I'll go ahead and stop the video and save the rest of this for the finale.